Hello everyone, myself Vivek Devani and my topic is Test for Airway Function FVC and FEV1. So today we are going to see the test for airway function FVC and FEV1. So first let's see what is FVC and FEV1. So FVC means force vital capacity and FEV1 means force expiratory volume 1. So the force vital capacity means the total amount of the air exhaled during the FEV test, and FEV1 means the force expiratory volume means the total amount of the air which is exhaled in the first second after the forceful expiration after the maximal inspiration. So the FVC and FEV1 both are the lung function tests which are performed during the spirometry. So now let's see how these tests are performed during the spirometry. So today we are going to assess some of the lung capacities and volumes. For that, the instruments which we are needed are a spirometer which is connected to the computer, a mouthpiece, a nose clip, some cotton and sanitizer. And you also need a software for interpretation. The software which we are using is the software of Spiro. Good afternoon. Myself Vivek Devani, and today I am going to be your therapist. May I know your name, please? Hello Virali, how are you? So today we are going to perform some of the tests to assess your lung capacities and volume. Are you okay with it?
Yes.
Thank you. So now I am going to collect some data from the patient and going to enter it into the software. So first let's start with the patient ID. So the patient ID is 001. The reference ID is 002. May I know your name, please?
Virali Nandanya.
Virali Nandanya. Okay, your age, please?
20.
20. Your weight, please?
70.
70. Your height, please?
154.
154. Gender is female. Are you a smoker or a non-smoker?
No.
Non-smoker. The temperature is around 37 degrees Celsius and your posture is sitting. So let's save this data and then we will give OK. So now firstly you need to take a deep breath in, then you need to close your nostrils using this like this way. Then while taking this on the nose, you need to forcefully exhale by keeping this in your mouth, and then you need to forcefully exhale by keeping this in your mouth. Okay? Take a deep breath in, close your nostrils, put this in your mouth, exhale forcefully. Now inhale forcefully. Okay, thank you. So now we are going to see the interpretation for this. So for seeing the interpretation, we will click over here and we will get the chart over here, the two graphs which shows that the patient lies under the normal condition. You see this dot, it presents that the person lies under the normal condition. The patient does not have any kind of obstructive or restrictive lung disorders. So now in both of this graph, you will be able to see that the green line indicates that the patient is normal. The red dotted line indicates that the patient is having some of the obstructive disorder, and the blue line indicates that the patient is having some of the restrictive disorder. It means that when the spirometry for a patient is done and the graph of the patient resembles the graph with this green line graph, it means that the patient lies under the normal condition. If it resembles with the red dotted line graph, it means that the patient is having some of the obstructive disorder, and if the graph resembles with the blue line graph, it means that the patient is having a restrictive lung disorder. Thank you all for listening me.